Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you Jetsono Pressure Washer review. So you might be wondering, what is the Jetsono Pressure Washer that you may be hearing online here? Well, in this case, Jetsono is a high-pressure nozzle that attaches to a standard garden hose to a concentrated water flow into a stronger stream. Now, it turns entirely on your existing water supply pressure, no electricity, cordless motor, or battery involved. So it's built for rust-resistant material. It's built from rust-resistant materials like brass couplers and aluminum tubing. So just to give some idea, these are just attachments that you use, and it totally relies on your in this case built-in pressure in your home. So yeah, so it offers two spray modes here: a concentrated jet stream for tougher grime, and a wider fan spray for gentler tasks like rinsing plants or windows. Now, the official FAQ is direct about its limits, so it narrows the water pressure to concentrate flow, but doesn't generate pressure beyond whatever your water supply already provides. So it won't match the output of an electric or gas pressure washer here. Now, it's positioned for regular maintenance and light to moderate grime rather than heavy duty jobs. So just keep that in mind. Now, how do you use it? Well, in this case, according to them, you just attach it to your hose using the universal 3/4 connector or the included adapter if your hose is a different size. Now, turn on the water supply, select your spray pattern by adjusting the nozzle, just aim it and squeeze the trigger to handle the control flow here using the jet setting for tough dirt and the fan setting to for dedicated services. Now, when finished here, turn off the water, detach the nozzle, and store it in a dry place for upkeep. The FAQ recommends periodically checking and cleaning the nozzle to prevent clogs and inspecting hose connections for leaks. Now, as for the pricing here, the official listing shows a stated price of around $99, discounted to around $39.75 under an ongoing promotion, with free worldwide shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.